good, YouTube? Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a long time.
We're working on a schedule to be more organized on certain days that we're going to be posting. Those days are
Sunday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays.
Yeah. We know it's been a little hectic. We're still trying to get used to this. I say that every video. It's a little hard because it's like another job and we just got to keep producing stuff. We like it. It's not that we don't like it, but it's kind of hard to keep up with the tough schedule when you have other things to do. But we're really interested in it, so we're going to keep on doing it. And we thought it would be better to make a schedule to keep it more organized.
Yeah, and it's hard because we both work full-time jobs.
Yeah, so it's a little hard, but we'll get through it. And we hope you guys enjoy this video.
And we miss posting, honestly.
We do. And we've been waiting to make this video for a long time. This is going to be a shoe unboxing with her shoe and my shoe. Same shoe. We got them both in our sizes. And we want to show you. So Michelle got hers from a store, retail. And I had to deal with getting them for resale and buying them off StockX. So StockX is something I never bought stuff off of. I've sold off there before, but I never bought off there before, so this is the first time doing that.
So it's the first experience.
Yeah, so this is new. As you can see, the box is still taped up. Shipping label's still on there. I'm not going to show you guys my address.
The shipping did take a long time.
It did. The thing with StockX is that, so there's a seller, and then there's an authenticator, and then it goes to the person. So basically, the seller sends it to the StockX office. They authenticate it, and then they ship it to the buyer. And there's been controversies that say, hey, StockX, they send fake stuff. So let's see. Hopefully these things are real. Growing up, I was always into real versus fake videos. And legit checking is something that I'm good at. So if someone has a question about a fake shoe, you can ask me. I can legit check it. So legit checking this shouldn't be a problem for me. So let's get to the unboxing.
So let's start off the video.
I'm excited. I haven't even opened this box. It's been sitting in here for about 5 days.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, damn, I just want to see the shoes. I just want to see the shoes. So
he's been wanting to open this box for a long time.
Let's see what we got. By the way, this knife does have my name on it.
We got it from Florida when we went
on vacation. Alright, as you can see, the box is upside down. We're going to take it off like this.
And yeah, we do like getting the same sneakers. We've been doing it for quite some time now.
So there you go. We got the Air Retro 1 High OG. These are the Shadow ones. Here's my receipt.
Wrong shoes. 1 second.
We got so many ones that she confused the boxes.
I brought my bread ones. 1 second.
We're back and situated. These are the Shadow ones.
In a size 4 and a size 10.
4 and a 10. And honestly, I've been waiting for this shoe since it came out. I think it was 2013.
Same.
They released like the little bit lower ones. These are a little bit higher than those. And I'm wondering if they're going to be a little bit better quality. So I paid $240.
And I paid $120.
$120. So
yeah.
Now the price is dropping, by the way, and I don't know why, but they're dropping. So opening up the shoe. You got the verified, authentic StockX tag. Just do a quick overview.
So the ones usually come with sticker.
Yeah, mine don't come with it. Men's sizes don't come with it.
Yeah, I usually get the sticker. Bang, bang.
The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Shadow 1s. Wow, this is a beautiful shoe.
Yes.
We got all the ones that came out recently. I mean, there's some that we messed up on. I messed up on the black toes. She got the black toes. So not all the ones, but we're definitely our favorite shoe is mostly ones.
Yeah,
that's like a go-to shoe.
They're the most comfortable.
And we think it's the cleanest shoe. Like,
yeah.
they just look so casual. You could wear these with absolutely anything. As long as the color goes, or you can even mismatch.
Sometimes it looks nice mismatching.
Yeah. So, as you know, the laces on the ones never come fully laced. It's always the first lace, as you can see. Overall, as you can see, the leather on the shoe is very good.
Yeah,
both of them are, like, they made them with the same leather.
Which is something they don't do all the time. Sometimes they give the youth size the cheap shit. Excuse my language. But yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice shoe. You got the gray on the back part. You got the Nike swoosh gray. The Nike tab up here, gray, with the gray Nike Air. The top of the toe box is gray, and then you got the black hints all around with the white bottom, black outsole.
I like the black bottom.
Yeah, it's a nice touch.
Yeah.
I haven't seen these shoes in person. I only seen them when we were editing the video after, because if I seen them there, I would have bought them. I really wanted the shoe before they came out. And I even asked Michelle, I seen some guys selling them before they even came out. It was like 2 weeks before they came out. And I'm like, should I get them now? And basically I paid like the same price that I could have paid before. But I chose to just wait and get them after. I didn't win the raffle. This year I've been really unlucky with raffles. It's really like sad. It is sad. And it gets me aggravated because, you know, I really do this, and I'm always, you know, into the shoes I like, and even the shoes, I don't go for every shoe. I go for the shoes that I personally like. She goes for the shoes that she personally likes.
We don't just go for like the hype stuff. We go for the things we
like and that we can wear. And not all the time we could get lucky and get our shoes. So when this happens, we are happy. This makes us happy.
Especially when we both get the shoe, it's a plus.
Yeah. But as it looks, these are definitely authentic. Straight off the bat, I could tell. There's no widow's peak. The tab inside is good. Let's bring out the other shoes so they can get a full look.
We always like to keep the receipt in the box and the paper.
It came with extra gray laces. I don't know if I'm ever gonna use them because I'd rather the black on these.
Mine didn't come with any extra laces.
And they also sent me quick wipes.
Oh, fancy.
It's cool. StockX quick wipes.
That was nice of them.
Jason Mark, which is a good cleaning brand. I like them. Yeah, three cleaning wipes, which is pretty cool. As you can see, here's the side by side. They threw in those cleaning wipes, which I think is awesome. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but they might come in handy one day.
You never know.
Never know. All in all, the shoe looks nice. I like this shoe. I love the combination of colors. Like I said, I've always wanted the shadow one since they came out back in 2013, or it was 2012, one of those two, but I'm pretty sure it was 2013 because that's when the bread ones came out and the royal ones. I had those royal ones that came out in 2013. I ended up getting rid of them.
And he had the Chicago one.
And I had the Chicago ones that came out that year.
And which got rid of them.
Those were my first pair of ones, which I fell in love with. And now I got a lot of pairs of ones. Even ones that came out even before that I'm fortunate to have now. And I'm fortunate to find good enough pairs for me to be happy with and wear. Comment down below what you guys think about the shoe. I think it's a good shoe.
Me too.
I think I might wear it today.
What I don't like is that my shoe came a little scuffed right here.
Yeah.
You can't really tell, but
well, Michelle's shoes.
This is my first time experiencing this.
Yeah.
My royal ones also came with like a bump in the front, which sucks.
Sometimes they do come flawed retail, even when you get them from retailers like Foot Locker, Kicks USA, stuff like that. Foot Action, Champs. They still come flawed sometimes, but as long as they're not bad and you can take care of them, then We don't have a problem with it.
Yeah. At least it's not like a whole bunch of paint on the shoe or something.
This size 10 looks like it's gonna fit me so nice. So I'm excited to try it on. I'm excited right now just because I've waited to open that box, and I was like looking at it every day, like, dang, I wish I could open it. But we wanted to wait for the unboxing, so that's what we did. This is the final shoe. Again, the laces are never tied on ones. We got to do it ourselves. I do it because I'm the lacer.
I can't lace shoes for some reason. Willie tries to teach me all the time, and I just can't.
I love lacing up shoes, and I can do it so quick. So look at that leather. That shit is just so sick. I mean, yeah, there's better leather that is on ones. Premium Jordans come with better leather, but this you can't go wrong with. My boxes is all banged up. So I do appreciate StockX sending me these shoes. Michelle was fortunate enough to get them retail again. She's basically always lucky enough to get retail shoes.
I have such a small
foot. Yeah. It's not as, like, I guess the grade school sizes aren't as crazy as the men's sizes.
Yeah, but
sometimes they are. Sometimes they are.
We were actually thinking about camping out for Willie size, but thank God we didn't because it wouldn't have been worth it.
Literally 6 hours to get them for a little bit more. I didn't mind paying.
Because sometimes it's not even a definite that you're gonna get it.
Yeah, and especially when you really want the shoe, it's like sometimes screw it, I'm just gonna get it. Like we said, we're really happy to have this shoe, and we hope you guys like it. If you guys are looking to buy these, I would suggest getting them now. The prices are lower than low. You can basically get them for a little bit over retail, less than what I paid for them for sure.
Yeah.
But I couldn't wait. So
these are amazing shoes. Like,
it's a nice shoe.
No matter if they're going down in price or whatever.
I've always wanted it, so why not get it?
I always wanted these pair of shoes for my ones collection, so it's great that I have them now.
And the thing is, people base it off of, okay, what's the price going for? What's the thing? That's what I'm gonna base it off. Oh, they're expensive, I'm gonna get them. That's not always. They make shoes that are cheap that look nice. There's some Adidas that are less than $100 that sell out or don't sell out, and they're still nice shoes.
As long as you can rock it, that's all.
You can rock it, get it if you like it. Get the shoe, wear the shoe, whatever you like, get it. Don't hesitate because you hear what other people are saying. Because at the end of the day, they're not gonna be the ones
walking in them.
Yeah,
it's gonna be you. Who cares what people think, really?
And ones are always a shoe that breaks people's necks. I swear, every time I wear one, I don't know if it's just me, us together, that when we go out, people just break their necks all the time. I don't know if it's because of the outfits we wear or what it is. We also have friends. We go out with friends, and they're like, "Yo, people stare you guys down," like.
And not even to sound cocky right
now.
No,
really not at all. Happen. It just happens, and it's the weirdest thing because I noticed it the other day. We were walking in the mall, and people would just stare, and they'll look up and down and just stare at you. You look back, and they're still staring at you. Like, that doesn't matter. Like, they're still gonna stare.
There's some people that actually come up to us and
give us compliments.
Yes, but then there's just other people that just
rather look at us in order to say, other than say something. All in all, the shoe is really great.
Yeah.
We know what the ones was gonna look like regardless because we got enough pairs of ones to know. It's just a different colorway. So, really isn't much to say. It's the same as every other one. The colorway is dope. Always been dope since they first came out with it.
We're glad to have them.
StockX did come through. I didn't receive any fakes. That was my first time using them, so shipping took a little longer than I expected, but
overall, at least you got.
Yeah, and I'm happy. Like we said in the beginning, the schedule will be changed, so we will be posting Sunday,
Tuesdays, and Thursdays. And Thursdays is most likely gonna be a thrift video. It's gonna be like thrifting Thursdays, thrifty Thursdays. So
thrifty Thursdays. Sounds cool, right? We hope you guys are interested. We hope you guys are excited. We hope you guys like this video. We hope you guys like this shoe. It's a really, really nice shoe. Hope you guys like this review. We're trying to get more into these reviews, especially since we got grade school sizes for the ladies. A lot of the ladies wear grade school size, unless they wear men's. There's nothing wrong with that. You just got a big foot. Oh well.
Yeah, most likely we try to get the same shoes, even if we're not gonna wear them all the time together.
Yeah, we used to do that a lot. We used to wear the shoe a lot together when we used to get them, especially in high school.
Yeah, we started like.
And then we kind of we kind of grew apart from it. We just do our own thing.
But we still like the same shoes.
Yeah, so. We still like the same shoes. It's not that we don't, but we just don't match.
Sometimes it just happens.
Like for us, we've been there and done that. So it's kind of like just like blah now. Now it's just like, alright, we planned enough outfits together. High school, that was basically what it was, you know? And we knew each other for so long, so...
And even if you can't afford the shoes, there's plenty of shoes that you can find that you don't have to pay over $100 for shoes to make yourself feel better about what you're wearing on your feet. Yeah, and for a Jordan, just to keep in mind, these are pretty cheap. So if you're on the market for a nice Jordan that's you can wear with a lot of things, check these out, man. And to finish up this video, we have to do our famous lick. Yeah. I never licked a shoe on camera, but she has when we did the review of her shoe. But we do this all the time when we get new shoes. Here's the bottom. Tastes new. The other guy tried them on and then I just licked the bottom of the shoe. Just joking. This is our first duo sneaker review, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't think there's other couples on YouTube doing duo reviews. Yeah, it's either one or the other. Maybe someone out there, but we haven't seen them yet. Yeah. So this is something new to us. We hope you guys like this video. We will be getting more shoes hopefully soon. There's a lot of shoes coming out this year that we want to get our hands on. And maybe you guys will see it. So if you guys like this video, again, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about this shoe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get our subscribers up there. We're trying to get people to see what we post. There's a bell button right above the video. Please ring that. So you know when we post. You'll get notifications of every video we post on Sunday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Until next time. Well, until Tuesday, guys. We'll see you. We won't be gone for so long again. Peace out. We'll see you. Peace.